Good morning, dear. Today we will continue chapter 22, which talks about algebraic expressions. Part B and E, development and algebraic. What do we mean by algebraic expression? It's an expression formed by numbers and letters linked by operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It's an algebraic sum of monomials. Let's see an example. A equal 3x squared minus 2x plus 7. Here the variable, the unknown, is x. 3 is the coefficient, it's the number multiplied by the variable, and the exponent is 2. We have minus 2x, again x is the variable and 2 is the coefficient, plus 7 is the constant, it's a known number. This one is an algebraic expression. It's formed by numbers 3, 2, and 7, letters x, and there's operation, more than operation. It's subtraction and addition here in this case. Now, how to develop or expand and reduce? Simply, we have to use distributivity rule. K multiplied by A plus B. This parenthesis means that there's a hidden multiplication sign between K and the parenthesis. So to expand it, we have to distribute K among A and B. So we multiply K by A, it's KA or K times A plus K times B or KB. For example, B equal 3 into 2x plus 1. To develop, I have to multiply 3 by 2x and then multiply 3 by 1. So I write it on the line 3 into or 3 times 2x plus 3 times 1. How to multiply them? The sign by sign, number by number, and letter by letter. Here we have both are positive. We multiply the numbers. 3 times 2 is 6. And we write x next to it. 3 times 2x is 6 times x. Here we have plus 3 times 1, which is 3. We don't have to evaluate since they didn't give me the value of x. It's just I expanded to be written in this way. It's 6x plus 3. I can't add here or do anything. 6x plus 3 is the final answer of develop. Now, what if we have subtraction instead of addition? We apply the same rule. It's K times A minus K times B. And we know that I can write K times B or simply KB. For example, 5 into 3x minus 2. What should we do here? We should multiply 5 by 3x and then multiply 5 by 2, and there's a subtraction sign between them. 5 times 3x, it's 15x, minus the product of 5 by 2 is 10. So the answer is 15x minus 10. Here, if I have two parentheses multiply by each other and I have to expand them, I can say it's A times C plus A times D or AD plus BC plus BD. Okay? Here, for example, I can say x plus 1 into x plus 3 using distributive property. I can multiply x by x, then by 3, then multiply 1, the other term, by x and also by 3. Okay, during multiplication, I can write a multiplication sign or simply put in parentheses. X times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, 1 times x is x, and 1 times 3 is 3. Here we have x squared, we write it as it is. We have a 3x plus x. It's the same as 3 apples plus 1 apple or 3 marbles plus 1 marble. The result will be 4 apples or 4 marbles. When I say 3x plus x, it's 4x. I simply add the coefficients. and we have the constant, which is plus 3. So the answer of expand or development of x plus 1 into x plus 3 is x squared plus 4. Let's practice. Keep in your mind that I have to multiply the signs by each other, then the numbers by each other, then the variables by each other. Okay, here we have minus 3 into 2x plus 3y. What should we do here? I have to multiply minus 3 by 2x and then multiply minus 3 by 3y. Here we have minus 3 times 2x minus plus, it's minus, and 3 times 2x. 3 times 2 is 6, and we write down the x. Again, minus plus, it's minus. 3 times 3 is 9, and we have y. So the answer is minus 6x minus 9y. Another example, minus 3x plus 5 into 2x squared minus 1. What should I do here? Minus 3x multiplied by 2x squared, then minus 3x multiplied by minus 1, then 5 multiplied by 2x squared, then 5 multiplied by minus 1. Okay, when we have multiplication, we write parentheses that represents multiplication between numbers. Okay, since we have sign and I don't want to be confused. Now, minus 3 times 2 minus plus is minus. 3 times 2 is 6. X times x squared, we have the same base, so I just add the exponent. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now, minus minus is plus. 3x times 1 is 3x. 5 times 2 is 10, and we have x squared. And 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, since plus times minus is minus, and 5 times 1 is 5. Now, it's not arranged properly. Start arranging from the greatest power to the least one. So write first minus 6x cubed, then we have here 10x squared, then 3x, then minus 5. N equal 2 into a plus 2 into b minus 3. 2 is multiplied by 2 parentheses. So let's write 2 on the first of the line and then multiply the parentheses here as we did before. So a is multiplied by b, a multiplied by minus 3, 2 multiplied by b, and 2 multiplied by minus 3. Okay, we multiply the products or the result of the expand, all of it by 2. And as we know, the priority goes always to solve what's inside the parentheses. Here I have to write 2. What do we have here? A times b is ab. A times minus 3 is minus 3a. 2 times b is 2b, and 2 times 3 is 6, and we have minus here. Okay, now we have ab, and the constant. I can't reduce it since the terms are different, so the variables are not the same. So here I have to multiply 2 by AB, it's 2AB, then 2 minus 3A, it's minus 6A, 2 times 2B is 4B, and 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. Maybe you think it's not easy. Okay, with the practice you can do it, I trust you. Now, how to develop and reduce? It's a long expression. We have 2 parentheses multiplied by each other, then the result is added to other 2 parentheses multiplied by each other. We know that priority goes to multiplication. So let's develop both of them and then add the result. What to do here? Let's start by 2x minus 1 into x plus 3. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. Minus 1 times x is minus x, and minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. Again, x times x is x squared. X into minus 5 is minus 5x. 1 times x can be written as x, and 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. What do we have here? 2x squared. We have plus 6x minus x. They have the same unknown with the same exponent. So it's the same as 6 marbles minus 1 marble. The result is 5 marbles. So 6x minus x is simply 5x. When we have here the same variable, we have addition or subtraction sign. Just in this case, subtract the coefficient. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it's 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. And here we have minus 5x plus x. When we have different signs, I write, as we said in the previous chapters, I write the sign of the greater number and find their difference. Minus 5 plus 1, it's minus 4x. Okay? Now what do we have here? We have 2x squared plus x squared. X squared is the unknown. We have 2 unknowns plus 1 unknown, so it's 3 unknowns. So 2x squared plus x squared is written as 3x squared. Then we have plus 5x minus 4x. 5 minus 4 is 1, so I'm talking about 1x. I can write it directly x. And here we have minus 3 minus 5. The result is minus 8. Please resolve the parts that we solved in your copybook, and we will continue this lesson later. Hope to see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for your attention.